everybody, it is Tammy with Love Notions, and it's been a couple weeks since we have moved out of the workshop and I moved into my home. So I thought I would give you a quick little tour of what I'm working with now. Okay, so while I am taking you behind the scenes of my new workspace, you might keep your eyes peeled because you might see some even more behind the scenes with the next pattern coming up. I'll give you a quick tour of my machines. The machines themselves haven't changed, just in a new location. This is a good time to show you what I'm working with. So my main machine, my sewing machine, is the Baby Lock Catherine, which has been rebranded to the Brilliant. When anybody ever asks me what sewing machine to get, if they're apparel sewing, I always recommend this one. I feel like it does everything you need to do for apparel sewing without a lot of extras. It also has a knee lift, which I greatly prefer a knee lift. So that's the Baby Lock Catherine. And then over here I have my serger, and that is the Baby Lock Triumph, another excellent serger. It also converts over to a cover stitch machine. But I actually have the Baby Lock Euphoria cover stitch machine here, which I get a lot of use out of. Both of my tables I have here are Horn of America tables. It just keeps everything nice and neat. I wish these tables were the same color, but you know, you can't have everything. But easy to, like, if I want to store something away, they all collapse together and I can push them out away if I wanted to. So in this section over here, I have our ironing station. If you're familiar at all with how we have things set up at the workshop, I kept it very similar. So I've got my ironing board here, and I've got my reliable iron, which I also always recommend if people are looking for an iron. I really like the reliable velocity. That's what this one is. And the water tank is separate from the body, so it keeps it from leaking everywhere. I really like that. And putting it in a little cart, like an IKEA cart, just keeps things real handy. So now over here we have my cutting area. I really miss our cutting tables from the workshop. We had these huge industrial cutting tables, but I didn't want this to take over my home. So this is what we've got now. This is also a Horn of America table with lots of great storage, and it's still a very generously sized space to cut. Little cart, I keep all my cutting and anything I might need regarding that over here. And you can see this, you might be wondering what this is over here. This has arms that'll come out, so if I'm ever recording any courses or videos, I'll have that overhanging so I can do like a top-down video. So that's what that's for. And here's Mosey. This is Mo. Look at Tessa. Now working from home, so they don't miss me as much. And they've got their own bed in here. My little alert system. So this is where I actually do most of my work, is at my desk. I've got the 2 monitors, which I think I can't function without 2 monitors these days. While I'm working on my newest pattern coming up, which I will tell you the name is Serenade. That's your little extra information there. So I've got my desk set up, I've got some shelving, all my sewing or my grading, all those textbooks up there, everything within reach. I love doing sneak peeks, and you can kind of see I've been sewing up the next pattern, and here I have a ton of different samples I've started with. So don't look, it's a secret. So the one space that we have in addition to this is upstairs in one of our guest rooms. We have all of our inventory. So we're still shipping print patterns. In fact, I'm expecting at least 2 more pallets of patterns coming soon. So that's all happening upstairs, where we have our large format printer and all our fabric inventory. Nothing too exciting. So that is the whole space that I am at. I know Tessa showed you her space. I love being able to just roll out of bed and come downstairs and work whenever I need to. It's a little bit different than when we were at the workshop, where I have to drive at least 20 minutes, sometimes an hour. That's always a good benefit, and I love my space being here at home when whenever I need to, whenever the mood strikes me. So that's my favorite part about being home. What is your favorite part about your sewing space?
And before you ask, we always get questions about this one feature in our sewing setup here, and that is this mat. The cutting mat is from Alvin. It's 36 by 48. It's a double-sided, self-healing, and it's currently $174 on Amazon right now.
All right, thanks for joining us. Please stay tuned for more information about patterns coming up and any other features we might have. Happy sewing!